Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Amazing volatility today and another beautiful day. Most of my traders bank amazing profit, and let me share with you guys how I analyze my market today and help my traders to bank amazing profit. So during this analysis review, I basically share basic price action which you can also implement in your trading and practice it, and I'm pretty sure you will get very good result. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you how I analyze through price action and help my traders to bank amazing profit. If you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. And let's dig into the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. EURUSD, if you look at the 4-hour chart, and our bias was long, because that's what I explained to my trader. As you can see here, and this previous low was broken, and that's what I explained to my trader. As long as the price stay above this level, we are looking a long trade here. Otherwise, we were short trade here. And price nicely pulled back here. We have this long trade yesterday. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, video link is given in the video descriptions. We have another pullback here today, and we have really enjoyed it. All this really. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market here this morning. As I said to you guys, I analyzed just half an hour before the London Open. As you can see here, this was the morning analysis, intraday analysis after the high time frame analysis. Just before London Open, and that's what I explained to my trader in more detail. If you look at here, price, if you look at the previous price action, and price broken this previous low, and after this one we're expecting a pullback, which price refused, and we have impulsive trade here. Price develop a false breakout. After the false breakout, price retest, that give us the confirmation of reversal, and we were also watching at this level in 4-hour, and price develop another symmetric triangle pattern, and after that price nicely respected that support trend line, this one as I mentioned in the analysis. As soon as the prices was about to break this pattern, we announced through live audio commentary. Most of retailers really enjoyed this one. And after that, as explained to my trader, as long as the price hit a previous high, we should be keep taking a pullback. So we have this breakout. After this breakout, we have another pullback. So as soon as price is about to hit the previous level, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit, and let's wait for another reversal. As you can see here, the price develop another pullback, and develop another symmetric triangle pattern, which is again, you can see here, price nicely broken. And that's what I explained to my trader. If the price is going to break the previous high, then we should be keep taking a long trade here. This is the previous high. You can see here, price broken, and beautiful long trade here, bank some profit. After banking profit, I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. I also did updated that analysis instantly once we bank some profit. As you can see here, once the price was reversing it, as explained to my trader, keep taking a pullback. We have this pullback, we also have this pullback, and we really enjoyed long trade here. And I explained to my trader, look for counter only if, as you can see, even this analysis, if the price is going to respect this red fib channel and develop a double top here, as you can see in my analysis, which I updated that analysis instantly as soon as the price hit to the red fib channel. Explain possibility of another counter short trade here, as you can see here. What a beautiful, another price develop another double top here, and counter short trade here as soon as the price hit this level. And explain to my trader, now we should be looking only short trade here for the time being until tomorrow. As you can see here, after that, because I finished my trading early, so you can see we have this double top here, and then we have another breakout short trade here. So you can see guys how we analyze market and define entries and exit. Let's move into the cable pound dollar. If you look at the 4-hour, as mentioned in EURUSD, we also was looking here this level, and later on, once the price developed, if you look at here, This is the inverted head and shoulder pattern. Price nicely reversed. We have breakout this morning and we keep taking a pullback. This blue line was the monthly support which previously price broken, and we were expecting, if we see reversal, then possibility of pullback, but if the price is going to break, then we should be keep taking a pullback. And that's what I explained to my trader. Now the price is broken, taking a pullback. So let me share with you the intraday, how I analyze the entries and exit. If you look at the intraday analysis, and let me pull up the analysis this morning. Okay, so this is the analysis. As you can see here, just before the London Open, explained to my trader, price develop a sideways market. We have, this is the level which is important. High is broken. As long as the price can stay above this level, we are more likely looking at breakout long. At the bottom, momentum was developed bullish. As you can see here, breakout and bank few PPs, another breakout, another pullback. So we announce all these pullback through live audio commentary, just to make sure if the trader missed this one, they can join here and bank amazing profit. So once we bank some profit, then we explain to my trader, let's wait for another deep pullback. So you can see here, that's the level. Explain to my trader, look for another pullback, or price also develop a wedge which is nicely broken. After the breakout, price retest, bank another few PPs, and afterwards at the New York session, as again price develop this level, which is even in previous intraday analysis. Explain to matter, as long as you can see here, this is indication I mentioned, and I also mentioned through live analysis, as long as the price stay above this level, which is this level, so we just keep taking a pullback. So we have, even this breakout was performed, then we have another pullback, price nicely respected, we have another pullback, So being an intraday trader, guys, as he has mentioned, you were taking a 10, 15 pips, 20 pips banking pips. All right, guys, as you can see how we analyze market and refine entries and exit through intraday. Dollar CAD, we had an amazing trade, short trade, beautiful this morning, and that was a pretty straightforward, as explained to my trader, dollar CAD. And that was basically, if you look at here, explain to my trader the price. If the price gonna stay above this level, then we should be taking a long, and if the price gonna develop a false breakout, we are looking this breakout. If the price gonna break this previous candle, then we should be keep taking a pullback short trade here. Exactly, this is what happened. All right, so let me share with you the intraday analysis, and this is the analysis I did last night and explained to my trader. Look for this, is you can see here, and this was the analysis. And as you can see here, price nicely respected and broken. This one respected here and broken. As you can see, after the breakout, we have another pullback, and we really enjoy this ride. Basically, nice, beautiful short trade here. As soon as the price hit this level, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. And afterwards, I did another analysis. So technically, we were looking at pullback, but in trying to explain more detail, this is the level which we are looking. If the price can stay above, then possibility of long, otherwise short trade here. As you can see here, price nicely respected few times, and price failed to break this one, and eventually price broken. And after the breakout, price also retests and also develop another pullback. Momentum was bearish. As you can see, as soon as the price hit to the previous low, that's what I explained to my trader. Now you can enjoy some pipping, and we really enjoyed it. And explained to my trader, let's see tomorrow if the price is gonna stay above this level, then expecting another pullback. Let's say if the price is going to break it, right, this level. So if the price gonna break this level for intraday, this is what exactly we're looking. If the price gonna break in intraday, if price come and retest, then we're going to be keep taking a pullback. Otherwise, if the price develop a long, tomorrow we had a quite high impact news, we'll see. Otherwise, keep taking a long. So all right, guys, we'll let you know tomorrow other update. I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, guys, you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. If you are struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time with the live intraday analysis, with the live audio commentary support, and you will get feedback from all of your trades in real time. And if you are looking for funded account, I can also help you to get funded. And once you produce the consistent results, we can also help you anyways to build a portfolio, and then at least you can get funded and you can make money. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome guys, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.